Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you a backup camera installed to an OEM screen on Porsche Cayenne 2008. So this vehicle has factory navigation and we have installed the backup camera that will show on the factory screen. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, with the picture in the back showing, as we can see a little bit of the bumper on both sides, and we have the guidance line. Now when you put the vehicle back in drive, the camera doesn't disappear immediately. The camera, same as factory, only goes away when you drive over a certain speed. Then the camera goes away. And put the vehicle back in reverse. And again we have the picture immediately showing the back there. I'm gonna go back to drive mode. And the camera goes away. It goes away around 15-20 kilometers an hour. The backup camera for different Porsche vehicles and other vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.